Hey guys, how are you doing today? Guys, I got a shocking question for you today. Did you know you could get paid not only $10, but up to $15 for an extremely simple task you could do in 30 seconds and even less? Well, it might sound like a total scam to you, but it is true. A picture is worth 1,000 words, but what if I show you live proof of that right now? This is Fiverr.com, the coolest freelance website in the world, where you can get securely paid to do practically any type of legal task you can imagine from anywhere you are in the whole world. And yes, guys, even tasks you can do in 30 seconds or less by using the right tools, of course. And let me show you how. Let us type the keyword colorize black and white photo. And there it is, guys. Look at all the people offering this service on Fiverr and see how all of them are making money by offering this service. Let's take a look at this guy here. This guy has sold this service 64 times at least. He has 3 different options in his service, $5, $10, and $15. Let's say he has sold an average of $10 per service because this service is something people usually buy in bulk. $10 times 64 equals $640 for a quick and easy task he can do in 30 seconds or less per task by using the right tool, of course. How cool is that? And I'm giving you just one example. There are hundreds of other ways you can profit as a freelancer, especially on Fiverr. Guys, we have applied this system over and over again and have profited thousands of dollars in the process doing so. And today's your lucky day because we want you to do the same. Guys, welcome to Snappy, a truly and revolutionary copy and paste system which lets you profit $10 over and over again for doing deadly simple tasks that takes you 30 seconds and even less to do. Guys, what if you could multiply the exact same copy and paste system I just showed you with the colorized black and white photo, but for up to 8 and many more easier to apply tasks you can do? What is cool is the fact that the longer the task takes you to create, the more money you will get paid. With Snappy, you will get instant access to up to 8 different profit-making apps ready to use for you to make money the quickest way ever with 8 and even more copy and paste systems ready to use. Let me show you the first one. Guys, this is the black and white image into color app. Yes, guys, this is the app you can use to colorize black and white photos, exactly the service I showed you in Fiverr. You just need to upload the black and white you want to convert into color here. Click on Submit, and the image is converted in just seconds. Guys, that took me just a few seconds. Impressed? Yes, I know, it's nuts. Did you think those images you saw in Fiverr you needed to use some sort of heavy and complicated application like Photoshop and spend hours trying to figure out how to do all the work? No way, guys. That heavy working is a thing of the past. That's not profitable at all. This is how you do it quick and easy in the profitable way, as I promised, guys. Let's try another profit-pulling search on Fiverr. Let's search for icon. Guys, here you see hundreds and even thousands of sales made for people needing icons. Yes, this is a crazy need here on Fiverr. And Snappy also gives you an icon generator too. Yes, guys, here you have the ability to customize over 600 different icons and profit from them as much as you want. Customizing them is ridiculously easy. Here, you can edit the background settings, the icon settings, the shadow settings, and the border settings. And once done, just download, and it's ready for profit. It can't be any easier than this. Are you already excited about Snappy? Well, we are just starting out, guys. Let's keep on searching for more quick and easy real profit-making opportunities. Let's search now for another cool one called Photo to Cartoon. Here, you can also see hundreds of sales generated for people wanting to convert their photo into a cartoon. What about into a 3D cartoon? This one looks really nice too. Well, let's go to Snappy now. Here in the Photo to Cartoon app, again, guys, you just need to upload a photo and just convert it. And there you have it. No complicated apps, and you don't have to code anything to create this really nice 3D cartoon. How cool is that? And that's all you need to do. Yeah, guys, this is extremely easy, but real and highly profitable too. That's the power of finding the right profit-making need and using the right profit-making app and connecting them to make you as much easy money as you want. Let's keep on going. Now let's try a very popular one called background removal. This is a highly profitable one too, guys. Thousands and thousands of sales made on this here in Fiverr alone. And with Snappy, of course, you can get rid of the background of any image you want. You just need to upload your image. Mark the shape of the object inside the image. You can go into more detail by using the magnifying functions. Mark in green what you want to keep and in red what you want to remove, and click on Convert. And there you have it. But you can do more than that. You can also add a background color. Get the image back to its original. And here you can download it. This is just awesome, guys. As you see, it's totally simple, and you don't have to pay any monthly fees for this. All is simple to use and 100% free. Well, as you notice, images are a highly profitable market here in Fiverr. And that's why we have also provided you with a powerful and easy to manage image editor, so you can create as many graphics as you want from scratch. The possibilities are limitless only with this app. Having an image editor at your fingertips, here in Fiverr alone at the graphics and design section, you can have at your disposal all kinds of highly profitable selling opportunities related to images. With Snappy Image Editor, you can open a photo to edit, create one from scratch, or use one of these sample ones to practice. Here you can apply filters, resize, crop, transform, draw, add text, shapes, stickers, and even add a frame. Apply corner radios and a background color. Yes, guys, don't complicate your life with advanced tools. Here you have everything you need to create profitable designs in just a few clicks. But that's enough about images. What about video? Guys, the video market is huge, and they are better paid, of course, as it requires some skills to work on them. Here in Fiverr, you can see so many ways to profit with videos. If you check intros and outros, you will see a lot of selling opportunities. And take a look at those prices. Those are way higher than the image ones. The e-learning market is huge too. Look at how much money this guy charges for creating a video course. $10,000. This is nuts, but real. Screencasting videos are also extremely popular. You can offer so many different types of gigs within this category alone. Here in Snappy, we are providing you with a screen recorder where you are able to create screencasting videos quickly and easily without any waiting lines and complicated processes. First, you need to decide from where you will want to record the audio, from your computer, from your microphone, or decide to not record any audio for your screencasting. You then need to decide which specific area in your computer you would like to screen record. And there you will see a preview of what will be recorded. To start recording, you just need to click on this button. And to stop the recording, just click on this button. And a download link will be shown to you so you can download your screencast. And there you have your video. You can offer so many different services as well with this app alone. Think about those $10,000 video courses you see that are being sold on Fiverr. Not exaggerating, guys. And besides this, we have also provided you with a really nice video editor called OpenShot. The OpenShot video editor is an award-winning open-source video editing application. OpenShot was created in 2008 in an effort to build a free, simple, open-source video editor for Linux. It is now available on Linux, Mac, and Windows, and it's all you need to create some awesome video projects you can charge thousands of dollars for. With this video editor, you can do so many different things, which you can sell as a service, as a freelancer, and we will show you many more profit-making ideas inside the training. Here, together with the video editor, we have also provided you with intro and outro videos as well as royalty-free video clips, which you can use to create video projects for your clients. Guys, there are so many services you can sell with all of this video functionality and resources available at your fingertips. And finally, there's a really awesome tool we have prepared for you, and this will be shocking as well, and that is the Page Builder. Guys, here in Fiverr, building a business website is a very lucrative service. You can charge hundreds of dollars for building a website. And please don't worry about coding or anything like that. Snappy Page Builder is so simple to use that you need to have absolutely no coding skills knowledge whatsoever. Those days are gone, guys. You do not need to be a coder anymore to create a website. Actually, coders have made it possible for you to do it extremely simply. It's as simple as creating a project, selecting a template, naming your project, and creating your website, and your website is live. You just need to customize everything by just clicking and typing, saving it. And here you can preview your professional, beautiful, and high-converting website, which took you just seconds to create and minutes to customize. Guys, you can even use these websites yourself for selling your services or build it for other clients and even charge a monthly maintenance fee for it. How cool is that? Guys, Snappy gives you the opportunity to make money the quickest way ever, not only on Fiverr, but on absolutely any other freelance website on the whole internet. You can even offer these services on your social accounts, to your partners, to your family, to your friends, and charge as much as you want depending on the market you are involved in. Something awesome about Snappy is that you don't have to deal with 8 different apps jumping around all over the web. You don't have to be on any waiting line to get your stuff done. You don't have to pay any monthly fees. You don't have to deal with ads everywhere on the page. Here, you have 8 ready-to-profit apps you can use to sell not only 8, but a bunch of more profitable services. And what's more, we will even show you how to use them and how to profit with them with our premium over-the-shoulder video training. Guys, the sky is the limit. There are so many profitable opportunities all together inside one dashboard here in Snappy. And we have shown you the tremendous selling opportunities inside Fiverr alone. And there are many other websites similar to Fiverr where you can sell these types of services as well. Guys, we're so excited to have you aboard. See you in the coming video.